Hello, welcome to the Con Evans channel again. Nice to see you. Don't forget, if you like this video, find it interesting, do tick the bits around the outside and support us by ticking. Yesterday I had an interesting thing. I wear two hearing aids. They happen to be Signia Airs, and one of them, I turned them on, it wasn't working. Normally when I turn them on, they go doop doop doop, make it a sound, and it wasn't working at all. This one was dead, this one was live. I first of all tried swapping over the batteries. I took the batteries out. Put them back in. Put it on. And that one remained as no sound at all. This one had the welcome chime go doo 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 doo. Okay. So I've got two hearing aids, this one dead, this one not dead. What did I do? I thought, right, what I want to do is let's take these unscrew, let's take the thin tube off. So remember, this is the dead side, that's the working side. So what I did is I took the hearing aid that nominally wasn't working, took the dome and thin tube that was working, put it on there. So now I'm actually putting my right aid, which has got a red mark on it, so I know it's the right one, on my left ear, but that's fine, because all I'm doing, does it work? And as I turn it on, it makes the doo 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 sound. So what I've now got is, I take off the thin tube. So I've now got two working hearing aids, because I work, and the tube, it has to be that tube. Now I happen to have, these are the offending tubes. When I looked at it, I really couldn't see, I really couldn't see much damage to it. We're going to show you a photograph of where it is, but what you can find is if you dig at the end, and what happened is where it fits onto the hearing aid, the tube was basically bent and twisted and no sound was coming through. I've no idea how it happened. Obviously I must have broken it at some stage, or it could just been wear and tear. These tubes will sort of age and with time and the like. So the solution was for me to take my trusty bag of bits and pieces that I always have. I always keep myself a set of domes, tubes, batteries, pokey things, sucky things, all sorts of bits and pieces in my bag. I take it on holiday. It's also got a double set because my partner, she wears hearing aids, and I always keep this for her hearing aid, because guess who she comes to when your hearing aid doesn't work? Me. And I replaced the tube and the dome, and it's all working. So that's it. So basically, don't panic. You know you've got a working side, swap the bits over. By elimination, you'll very quickly find out which hearing aid is working, which bit is not working. Hope you found that helpful.